Assalamu alaikum. I am Hunaina Basir, your science teacher. I hope you all are fine and happy. We have started online classes for you. Inshallah, it will be beneficial for you. Your cooperation is highly required. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will start our lesson 3, How Animals Are Helpful to Us. Reading. We can find animals everywhere on earth. Many animals play an important role in our lives. They help us in many different ways. Helpful animals. We use animals for food, clothing, and travel. We get food in the form of meat and milk from animals. Our breakfast is incomplete without milk and eggs. Where do we get eggs, meat, and milk from? Explanation. The unit how animals are helpful to us means that how animals are useful for us or what advantages that the animal gives to us. You all know animals are the living organisms. They are of different types. They may be big, small, they have hair, they have big bodies. Some will give egg, some will not give egg, some give us milk. So they are very helpful to us. So why do we use them? What is the need of animal? We use animals for food, clothing, and travel. Animals give us food. This is the first function, the first purpose of animals. We can also use animals for clothing because animal skin is used to make clothes for us. Also, we use animals for traveling. Nowadays, we have aeroplanes, cars, different vehicles. But in the old era, there are no vehicles. So they use animals for traveling long distances. Also, animals give us meat, milk, hen, which we can eat. Reading. We eat different types of meat such as chicken, mutton, and beef. Can you think of some other types of meat? Coats, bags, shoes, etc. are made from leather, and we get leather from buffalo, cow, and sheep skin. Sheep also give us wool to make warm clothes for winter. In the same way, some insects help us too. Bees make honey for us. We use camels and horses for riding and traveling. Today I found out a tiny insect called the silkworm made silk for us. Explanation. As I have told you earlier that we use animals for food, clothing and travel. So how can we use them as a food? You know, different animals give us meat like chicken from the hen, mutton from the sheep and beef from the cow. Besides this, the animals can give us leather, and with the help of this leather, we can make coats, bags, shoes, hats, and different things. Besides animals, insects also help us in various ways, such as an insect called honeybee help us to give us honey, which is very sweet and is a cure of many diseases. Also, we use animals for traveling, especially horses and camels are used for riding. A tiny insect called the silkworm makes silk for us. Silk is a cloth which a silkworm, a tiny insect, made for us. Dangerous animals. Reading. Some animals are wild. They live in forests. They can be very dangerous and can attack humans. They hunt for food and protect themselves. We need to be very careful before going near them. Although pets are fun, we must keep them clean. They can get fleas which can make us sick. A cat's fur can cause allergies to some people. Many insects like termites damage things made of wood. They eat wood as food. Explanation. Yes, animals are very nice, very sweet. We like them so much. But there are some animals that are very dangerous to the humans. And they are the animals that are lion, snake, eagle, etc. Because these animals can kill the humans for their food. So we have to very careful around them. Although we like to keep the animal as a pet, but we have to take care our pets, such as cat, parrots. If we don't care about our pets, they get sick. For example, if we have a cat in our house, or if you have a cat as a pet, so if you don't care about your cat, so what happens? It causes allergy to you. So be careful with your cat. Besides the animals, there are some dangerous insects as well, such as termites. Now, what are the termites? Termites are the small insects and they eat wood. Wood is the food of a termite. Means they damage the wood. They damage the wood of our cupboard, window and destroys it. That's why they are also dangerous for our furniture. Reading. Food attracts flies and ants. They sit on food and make it unhygienic. We should always cover our food when we are not eating it. Worms and locusts are types of insects which can damage crops. Farmers use special sprays to stop them from destroying crops. Explanation. Like the termite, flies and ants are the insects that also damage our food. They sit on our food and make it unhygienic, means it gets unhealthy when they sit on them. So we have to cover our food to protect it from the ants and flies. Also, like termite, we have insects, worms and locusts. And what they do, they damage the crops. What are the crops? Crops are the fields in which farmer work. Like we say wheat crop, rice crop, cotton crop. So crop is a place where the farmer worked for us and farmer uses different sprays to protect against these worm and locust. With the help of these sprays, these worm and locust get killed. So we have to very careful from these insects as well.